Today is Car Free Day for Millennium City, Gurgaon. It's also World Car Free Day, in fact. The city administration and corporate groups have come together to make it a success. Stretches in the Delhi suburb have been declared no street parking zones. The traffic police has urged people not to use cars, to instead walk, ride a cycle, use public transport or even carpools. The highlight of the morning was the Police Commissioner Navdeep Singh Virk riding a bicycle. It's hoped the move will reduce long traffic jams in the Delhi suburb and cut down pollution levels.
Well, that's not how you see the Gurgaon Police Commissioner come in every day, but he's here on a bicycle today, joined by CEOs, joined by the ACP traffic here, with banners, joined CP traffic here, and with the message that Gurgaon should actually go car free. So it's a great initiative, but the fact remains that, despite the fact that all of you are here sweating it out really on the bicycle, there are reports of traffic jams being seen around the city as well. So one wants to understand what is the level at which, how do we actually see it culminate into action?
See, it's a start. And this Car Free Day is not a new concept. World over, it was started about 22 years back. And it's been held every year on the 22nd of September in several cities in the world. So Gurgaon is experimenting for the first time.
See, as we know, this is the beginning. This is just the first time we are doing it. And this is something very new for the people of Gurgaon also.
Correct.
We've done a lot of homework for this work. Last 15-20 days we've been working with all the people, with corporates, with people, with public, with schools. We're working with everybody, and they have all given us a lot of support, a lot of enthusiasm they have shown. And since this is the first day, I'm sure, but here also at this point, you see today the vehicles are much less than what it used to be otherwise.
Correct.
At least 20% reduction today. And by the end of the day, we'll be able to tell you how much actually we've done, how much we've done actually. So this is just a beginning. From Car Free Tuesdays, we actually want to make it car free every day.
I'm joined by certain CEOs also. It's not every day. You are here clearly, but what about the rest of the employees? How are they getting to work today? And if they get late, are you going to fire them really?
No, not really. Look, I work with Genpact, so one of the things we've done is we have about 10-12,000 employees in Gurgaon. In our office in Golf Course Road, we have about 2,500-3,000 employees, colleagues of mine. We've encouraged people to come by public transport, carpool, cycle, shuttle buses. We've done a massive outreach program. Now it's voluntary, right? So I'll actually go to work now and see how many number of cars came less today to work, right? But I think we guys just have to push this agenda, get some cycling tracks, get the infrastructure going. I would think more and more younger lot will come and cycle on the
So 15 minutes late is okay as long as you're cycling, huh?
No, you can be more late, but I think you have to time it to be on time, right? So obviously people all over the world do it, and I think we can do it in Gurgaon.
But it wasn't that Gurgaon was magically traffic jam free. There were parts of the city that saw huge traffic jams as usual. In fact, some criticism coming in that the roads that had been kept car free created pressure on other roads. However, it's hoping that things will get smoother over the next few hours.